Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix games not opening on Windows 11. So first here on your home screen, you need to go in the search bar at the bottom and type run and open the run app. Now from here, you just need to type regedit to open up the registry editor. So just need to open this app as you can see. Then we're gonna look at the left side of your folder or this app. So go on the top and just click on HKey classes root. So we're gonna open this file right here. And then from here, you just need to find the exe file. So look at the exe, as you can see the exe folder. And then we're gonna right click on the default and then click on this modify. Now here you need to make sure that the value data is exe file. Now click OK. And then the next one here is we need to find the exe file folder. So we just need to scroll down until we find that exe file folder. So we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna look at the exe files you can see. So open this folder here. So go to the modify and then change the value into application. Once you've done, click on OK. Then open up this folder here and then click on the shell, open up this option. And then once we open this, just click on open and here right click again on the default and then click modify, and here just need it should be empty. And once you've done, click on OK. Now just need to restart your computer. And once you reopen your computer, it should be fixed the game not showing on your Windows 11. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.